Alright. This has been pissing me off. I'm just gonna go with it. Alright. First of all, what the fuck? What the fuck, bitch? Really? Okay, ponytail, listen up, okay? It's one thing to say that girls, tits can be small, but to claim that, like, an entire organization, the Olympics, takes away from femininity is another thing. First of all, no one's forcing anyone to do anything. There's a nice little table where you can walk in and sign up at. Not hard. No one's making you. You have a fucking pair of legs and the free will to do shit. Which is probably why most of the women are there in the first place. You know, there's these things called beauty pageants, where they judge you on your beauty, obviously, and your femininity. Sports, beauty pageants. You might be in the wrong section, bro. Ooh, like I'm so mad. Yes, sir. And saying that tiny-titted women reduces femininity is slightly hypocritical to the fact that a good majority of men don't have ponytails. Yeah, that may or may not reduce your masculinity, but whatever. See, I don't understand stupid people. Like, I don't... Right there with you, Jenna. Right there with you. Huge fan. Don't stop making vids. That was my rant.